Hi friends, let me start by welcoming you and myself back. After 3 years of absence, I've decided to restart my channel. A few months back, I started using the app called Notion to help organize my thoughts and ideas on personal and professional level. In this video, I'll show you the basics of Notion and how I applied it to restart my channel. I've been using Notion as a task manager, keeping notes about the trainings I followed, notes about hobbies, cooking recipes, and much more. But Notion can also be used for documentation, wiki, databases, roadmaps with timelines, or just a simple list. Then I decided to use the same practice for restarting my YouTube channel. Using Notion, you can simply have a second brain to park everything you want to keep track of. This could be a simple to-do list or a project shown in a timeline. You can also use simple keyboard shortcuts to increase your efficiency and quickly add different type of blocks. There are also many free templates available online to get you started more easily. Here are a few examples, which I'll add in the description. These can easily be duplicated and are free to use. Notion has many options, and I don't want this video to scare you with all the options, but to keep it simple so that you'll start using Notion and then explore new functions as you go. In terms of pricing, you can start using Notion for free with no ads and decide to upgrade if you decide to upload large quantity of files or start collaborating with others. Two YouTubers in particular created content about Notion which helped me a lot. These are Ali Abdal and Red Gregory, which I'll link in the description. Ali Abdal shared a Notion template and a kanban board where you can track your ideas. You can simply open and duplicate his template. His version is designed for a team to collaborate, so I decided to minimize the functions, which saves me time. Feel free to customize it to your needs. Red Gregory has in-depth knowledge of how Notion works and demonstrates this in many videos with examples. Make sure to check out her videos if you want to learn more about Notion. In order to restart my channel, first I created a simple to-do list in order to decide what are the minimum requirements. I wanted the bare minimum so that it's not overwhelming. The cool thing about Notion is that you can pick and choose which type of blocks you want to use for the same purpose. So for a to-do list, you can use just some text fields, a checklist, a toggle list, or a table or database, whichever fits your needs. This makes Notion highly customizable. After that, I created the kanban board in order to start applying the process and gather other ideas that I want to work on in the future. Within the kanban board, you'll be applying the template on each new video. For this purpose, you can add a simple button which will enter the template and save you time. In order to add the template button, simply duplicate the template you want to use, then select all the blocks within the template and copy them. Then go to the kanban board or any other database you want, open a new field, press the Create Template button, and paste the blocks. Now each time you create a new field, you can press the template button and add the content. Then it's just a matter of going through the process from idea, scripting, recording, editing, and then finally publishing. As I mentioned, the purpose of this video is to provide basic information about Notion, point you to the right direction, and get you started. Let me know what are your thoughts about Notion or task managers in general down in the comments. I'll try to upload more videos, mostly about applications, and hope to get your feedback. See you next time.